Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Sanibek. I am from Third Sem Civil Engineering Department. I am here to present the presentation on our PBL project, and my allies are Guda Sai Kumar Reddy and Gopi Reddy Srinivas Reddy. We are doing the project Stabilization of Soil by Waste Materials under the guidance of Dr. Chandrasekharappa Agasanardi sir. Coming to the project, our project is soil stabilization by using waste materials. Before that, we need to understand what is soil stabilization. Soil stabilization is a process of improving the physical properties of weak soil in order to make them more strong and enhancing their properties. Come to the point that why we have to stabilize the soil. Basically, the soil from the other places made from the other soil deposits. So, because it's not necessary that the soil properties must be the same. To increase the shear strength and bearing capacity and not have more plasticity, we need to provide the stabilization for soil stabilization process. These are the objectives of providing soil stabilization. Next one is significance. We can increase the stable foundation and their proper construction and their lifelong durability. We can increase the shear strength of the soil to improve the load bearing capacity of the soil, to control the shrinkage and swelling of soil in case of expensive soil. These are the literature review. Here are some methodologies. First of all, we are using here the waste materials, and from these waste materials how we can stabilize the soil. Here are some materials that are using in soil stabilization. First one is plastic waste, and another one is organic materials such as sugarcane bagasse, and polymers such as polyurethane grouts, which are used in the construction of roads to avoid voids, and acrylic polymers APS, and fly ash, bio waste, and many more. Now let's see results. Any waste of industrial waste that are used in soil stabilization, that is a very good advantage. And the waste materials soil stabilization provides significant reduction cost as well as environment protection. Soil have greater improvement with all soil becoming non-plastic with addition of sufficient amount of industrial waste. Now let's see conclusion. The use of plastic waste has significantly helped in ground improvement. It can significantly enhance the properties of soil used in construction of road infrastructure. Results include a better and long lastings with increased loading capacity. This new technique of soil stabilization can be effectively used to meet the challenges of society producing useful materials from the non-useful waste materials. Okay, thank you.